If you work with data, research, or long reports, you know the feeling of staring down a mountain of text. It takes hours to read through, let alone understand. Google's NotebookLM is built to solve exactly that problem. It takes your static text documents and turns them into a dynamic, two-host audio conversation. You only need two things to get started: a standard Google account and a single digital document. By converting text into audio, you get your time back. You can step away from the screen and absorb critical information while you commute, exercise, or cook. Step 1 is logging in. Head over to notebooklm.google.com and sign in with your Google account credentials. Once you are in, look for the New Notebook button and click it to start a fresh project. Think of a notebook as a dedicated, isolated workspace built entirely for one specific topic. You will see a clean digital workspace with a large Add Sources upload zone right in the center. This blank canvas is where you will give the AI the exact information you want it to process. Creating separate notebooks for different projects ensures the AI doesn't mix up your client reports with your class notes. It keeps your outputs accurate and context-specific. You can upload a variety of file types, including PDFs, Google Docs, and even YouTube URLs if they have a transcript. Simply drag and drop your files directly into the workspace. There is a hard platform limit. You can upload a maximum of 50 sources per notebook. Those sources combined can contain up to 25 million words. But if you are new to the platform, avoid throwing massive amounts of data at it right away. Starting small helps you learn how the tool processes information. For your first project, stick to 1 or 2 documents that you already know well. It is crucial to understand that NotebookLM does not search the internet for answers. The AI restricts its knowledge entirely to the specific documents you just uploaded. This strict isolation prevents AI hallucinations. Hallucinations are instances where an AI invents false facts or details not present in the source material. Because it only reads your files, the resulting audio is based entirely on your actual data. With your sources uploaded, look for the Audio Overview option in your notebook interface. Click the Generate button to initiate the audio creation process. In the background, the AI is reading your documents, extracting the key points, and writing a synthesized script. The final output is a conversation between 2 distinct AI voices, discussing your material in a friendly, easy-to-understand tone. Once processing finishes, an audio player appears. You can listen directly in the browser or click the download button to save the file. This single click gives you a complete audio discussion without needing any recording equipment, microphones, or editing skills. You now have a custom portable audio file generated directly from your text. The main advantage here is mobility. You can step away from your computer screen and absorb your documents while you are out multitasking. You can use this to review dense marketing reports during a commute, study for upcoming exams while doing chores, or digest complex research papers on a walk. By shifting from reading to listening, you upgrade your productivity, allowing you to process massive amounts of information on your own terms.